Hey, it's shawnshawn here. I sell art on shawnshawn.co. Today we're going to do a contest for the month of April. We originally had a little bit different. I'm going to change it up, open it up to collectors, obviously. Artists just weren't interested in the contest, so I'm going to switch it up. So there's going to be 3 winners. 1, 2, 3. And each winner gets 5 paintings, and that is going to be worth $250. So let's go check out the prizes, guys. So our first prize is going to be this one right here. And this is 5 paintings, and this is the first one. The other 4 are secret. So the second prize is this painting plus 4 more, and the other 4 are secret until you win. Third prize is this painting here plus 4 more paintings, and this runs up until April 30th midnight. Then we cut you off, so April 30th midnight is your last time to enter, and I do the winner the next day live on Facebook and YouTube as well. May 1st, 6:45 Eastern. So check that out and good luck.